In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to access the Shakespeare's Othello, the Moor course on Harvard Online, and how you can earn a Harvard-certified credential after completing it. This is an amazing opportunity if you're interested in classic literature, Shakespearean drama, or boosting your academic and professional profile with a globally recognized certification. I'll walk you through everything step by step, from finding the course to enrolling and completing it. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to harvardonline.harvard.edu/course. This is the official Harvard Online platform, where Harvard University offers courses to learners around the world. Once the page loads, you'll see a list of available courses along with a search option. Go ahead and click on the search bar and type in Shakespeare's Othello, the Moor. As you type, the course should appear in the results. Click directly on the course title to open the full course page. On this page, you'll see a detailed overview of the course, including what you'll learn, the course syllabus, the instructors, the duration, and the effort required per week. Take a moment to read through this information so you understand exactly what the course covers. This course focuses on a deep exploration of Othello, one of Shakespeare's most powerful and complex plays, examining its themes, characters, and historical context. When you're ready to move forward, look for the Enroll button on the course page and click it. You'll now be prompted to either sign in or create an account. If you already have a Harvard Online or edX account, simply sign in using your existing credentials. If not, you'll need to create a new account by entering your email address, creating a password, and filling in some basic personal details. Once your account is set up and you're signed in, you'll be taken to the enrollment options. Here, you'll typically see different enrollment tracks, including a verified or certificate option. Select the option that includes a certificate if your goal is to become Harvard certified. After selecting the certificate track, you'll be asked to fill in your details and proceed to payment. Enter your payment information carefully and complete the checkout process. Once payment is successful, you'll officially be enrolled in the Shakespeare's Othello, a Moor course. From here, you can start the course right away or come back to it later from your dashboard. As you progress through the course, make sure to watch all the lectures, complete the readings, and finish any required assignments or assessments. These are important because completing all the required components is necessary to earn your certificate. After you successfully finish the course and meet all the requirements, you'll receive your Harvard certification. This certificate can be downloaded, shared on LinkedIn, or added to your resume to showcase your achievement. And that's it. You now know how to access the Shakespeare's Othello, the Moor course on Harvard Online and earn a Harvard-certified credential. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.